we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies.
Hello guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. You guys are welcome. Another hair review as usual. The hair I'll be reviewing today is from Dorsanee? I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. Pardon me if I'm not. See how gorgeous is this? Is it Dorsanee? I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. Their website or informations are here. Alright guys, and at the back, how to care for the hair is written at the back of the carton. The hair is 13 by 4 lace wig and it's 12 inches. You can see it's written here. And the color is black. They put this card inside. Once again at the back, there is how to maintain the hair, and you can scan this. Okay, when you scan this, it will take you direct to their website. See, let me position it well so that you guys can scan it. So inside the pack, oh la la, there are so many goodies. They put how do they call this? I forgot the name. Bobby pins and a pair of lashes. Wow, thank you. A cap wig, the wig cap or cap wig, whatever. Then there is a hairband. I like the color. And this is the hair. Yeah, it's 12 inches and it's 13 by 4. Okay, let me take this out of it. So the lace color is brown, all right, and the edge, they did not twist it, just little tweezing they did. Little, they would have at least twist more. Okay, the inside of the hair, you see the lace is up to this part, so you can only do center part or you turn it to the side to do side part. And there are some combs inside, inbuilt adjustable strap. No shedding, single shedding, there is none. It doesn't have any bad smell, smell good. Let me brush it. It's center part. The hair, the texture is so soft. And it's kind of bob. Ooh, you see that, guys? Say, it's bob. Okay, this is beautiful. I like this. I like the length. I like the texture of the hair. So guys, I'm going to leave the link on the description box. So if you're interested, you can check that out. Okay. So everything you need to know about this wig will be on the description box. Everything you need to know, their website, everything will be on the description box. So don't hesitate to check that out. The hair, guys, this is the wig on. It's so light. This is lightweight. Ooh, I like how light this hair is. So light. It's really lightweight. Wow. I like the texture as well. Ooh. So I'm going to create center part. I don't want corner. I don't want side. So I'll create center part because the center have been created before. So I'm just going to open it. But nobody said it. You see that? Maybe I should have known. The texture is so cool. Okay, that's my part. I'll use a wax stick on it. Where's my wax stick? Remember how we pulled the drapes in the basement to get away from the world that we couldn't fit. They did not twist the hairline, but it doesn't mean since it's bob, you can leave it this way. or you can tweeze it if you want. So I'm not going to tweeze it, so I'm just going to leave it this way. Let's take this down.
My intention, maybe we should have been friends. So you're someone I used to know, but no.
I don't know what is wrong with my hot comb. It's on maximum and it's not hot. Maximum and it's not hot. Why? I don't know. So I want to cut the lace from it. I don't know if this is in center, because sometimes I'll think it's in center and it's not.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind.
I don't want it to be bob, so I'm just trying to straighten the wig and put little how do they call this? See, this is how I want it. So you can bob it if you want, but me, I don't want it bob. I just want it straight. Trying to straighten everything. This is superb. So superb. Oh, one thing I like about this hair is the weight. So light. So light. It's as if I'm not wearing anything. And the hair is so smooth and soft. It's smooth and soft. Yeah. So this is what I want. My comb is not hot. I don't know what is happening. I think it's lovely like this. So I'm going to open the pattern because right now we don't see it well. Oh, all this hair. Oh, this hair. I did not glue it down because there is no need for that. So open the part like this. You guys know that's what I do. So I'll just use it to touch the front like this, so that even if I raise my hair, you will not see the lace. So that's what I do. If you're new here, or if you're an OG, you know it. This is what I do. Easy. So guys, that is it for this hair tutorial. I'm going to leave the link on the description box, so if you're interested, don't hesitate to check that out. You feel so comfortable with this hair and it's lightweight. I like the fact that it did not shed. You can make it bob if you want to bob it, even if you want to make it more shorter, but this is how I like it. This is just how I want it to be. It's perfect this way. So that is it, gorgeous. Please, before you go, if you like it here, don't hesitate to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much. And if you like this hair tutorial, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. I'm going to leave the link on the description box, so check that out. Like I said, the hair is so comfortable and it's lightweight. Okay, it's so gorgeous. I love the hair. I like the charm of this hair. And you see, I did not glue it down. Okay, so you can do the same thing if you want, or if you want to glue it down, you can glue it down. Whichever way you want to rock this hair, you're free, you're good to go, girl. You're good to go, girl. Whatever way you want to rock the hair, you're good to go. This is so lovely. So I want to use the hairband.
It's still uncaught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep.
The color of the band goes with my dress.
Going down, 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 down.
It is gorgeous. Oh, I love this. It's so lovely. So lovely. So lovely.
And I thought it's time.